Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial we are going to look at this integral from 1 to 2, the natural logarithm of x squared divided by natural logarithm of x squared plus natural logarithm of 9 minus 6x plus x squared dx. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, support my channel, so I will continue producing challenging tutorial on integrals. So let's solve this integration question. So we can start off by recognizing that this one we can factor this 9 minus 6x plus x squared. This can be factored into 3 minus x all squared. So we can plug that into our integral from 1 to 2 of the natural logarithm of x squared, all divided by the natural logarithm of x squared plus the natural logarithm of 3 minus x all squared. So using the laws of logarithm, the numerator becomes 2 natural logarithm of x all over 2 natural logarithm of x plus 2 natural logarithm of 3 minus x all dx, the integral from 1 to 2. So the 2's will cancel, can factorize 2 out from the numerator, which cancels out with the 2 at the bottom. So we have integral from 1 to 2 of the natural logarithm of x all over natural logarithm of x plus the natural logarithm of 3 minus x dx. So we can call this integral I. So let's do some u-substitution. So we can let u to be equal to, let's say, 3 minus x. du dx is going to be negative 1. In that case, dx is going to be negative du. Next, what about the change in limits? When x is equal to 1, u is going to be what? 3 minus 1, which is 2. When x is equal to 2, u is going to be 3 minus 2, which is 1. So our integral now becomes the I1 now becomes integral from 2 to 1 of the natural logarithm of x. What is x? X here is 3 minus u. So that is 3 minus u. That is from here. If we want to isolate x, x is going to be 3 minus u divided by the natural logarithm of x. X is the same, 3 minus u plus the natural logarithm of 3 minus x. 3 minus x is u. And what is dx? Dx is negative du. We have negative du. So I becomes the integral. This is negative. I can switch the limits, and switching the limits will nullify the negative, and that becomes integral from 1 to 2 of the natural logarithm of 3 minus u all over natural logarithm of 3 minus u plus the natural logarithm of u du. The negative has nullified the change in limits has nullified the negative. So here now we can do some comparison. With this one, we can just change this one back to x. We can just change our value here back to x, our variable here back to x. If we change it back to x, nothing is going to change. We can just let x u to be equal to x, and that is equal to, so we can let u to be equal to x in this case. If we do that, we are just switching the variables. So I is going to be, the limits will stay the same, integral from 1 to 2. We have the natural logarithm of 3 minus x all over the natural logarithm of 3 minus x plus the natural logarithm of x dx. That is just by letting u to be equal to x. And if you look at this I, this is I, and this is I. So we can just sum them together and see what happens. So we can say I plus I. So I plus I is equals to the first I was the integral from 1 to 2 of the natural logarithm of x all over the natural logarithm of x plus the natural logarithm of 3 minus x dx. That is the first I, this one. And the second I is this one, which is plus the integral from 1 to 2 of the natural logarithm of 3 minus x all over the natural logarithm of 3 minus x plus the natural logarithm of x dx. So left hand side combines to 2i. The right hand side can be factorized out into natural logarithm of x all over natural logarithm of x plus natural logarithm of 3 minus x plus natural logarithm of 3 minus x all over natural logarithm of 3 minus x plus natural logarithm of x dx, all this in square bracket. So 2i is going to be the integral from 1 to 2. If you are combining this, it's going to be the natural logarithm of x plus the natural logarithm of 3 minus x all over the natural logarithm of x plus the natural logarithm of 3 minus x, all dx in a square bracket. So the numerator and the denominator is the same. So they'll just cancel out and you are just integrating 1 in the x world. So that is how this one simplifies out. This is not trivial. So we have x, the integral from 1 to 2, and that is 2 minus 1, which is 1. So 2i is going to be 1, and in that case, I is going to be 1/2. Therefore, our integral, which is the integral, which is I, our original integral, which is this one, which is from 1 to 2 of the natural logarithm of x squared all over the natural logarithm of x squared plus the natural logarithm of 9 minus 6x plus x squared, all dx. This just evaluates to 1/2. Let me check and see whether that's right. 9 minus 6x plus x squared. Yes, 9 minus 6x plus x squared. So that is the value of our integral. So this integral from 1 to 2 of this function evaluates to just half. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more content like this. I thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.